Hello traders, in this video we'll speak about how we caught a beautiful trade on GBPUSD. It was 10-hour trade and I will explain from like A to Z how we caught this trade, what kind of entry model we used, what we waited for, and how we like executed buys. So what we can see, we have a nice example right here. So you can see we have breakout structure downside, we have breakout structure downside. So we have series of lower highs, lower lows, but here price generated higher high. And now so many traders are starting to buy from here, okay, because they think they have breakout structure upside. And they think this price action is valid. Okay, they are not waiting for anything. They will execute buys, and what happens? They are losing. Why? Because they have not waited for the confirmations. If you don't wait for the confirmations, you will always lose. Here again, then after these buyers have failed, okay, we can call this payment failed, okay. Then again, the sellers started to sell from here. Why? Because now they think they have breakout structure downside. They have series of lower highs, lower lows. They have imbalance, but they have not waited for the confirmations. And what happened? They lost. Why? Because they have not waited for confirmation. So this supply becomes our failed supply. And why this one is nice confluence? Because now what is price telling us? Price is telling us that now sellers are not in control anymore because price have destroyed these sellers, these supplies, and we have straight upside movement with huge engulfing candles, and we have nice higher highs. Here also we had liquidity sweep, and we have our breakout structure upside in lower time frame. We also have demand mitigation, so now price is starting to respect bullish order flow. And this movement, what does this movement did? Like it left huge imbalance, it left unmitigated demand zone. And once price mitigates our demand zone, you should not buy, okay, like at the same time. No, you should wait for the confirmations. If you don't wait for the confirmations, you won't win because you need patience, you need discipline, you need A+ setups. That's how you will be profitable. If you don't wait for anything, you will lose, obviously, okay? So here we have liquidity sweep, price swept liquidity, and after that gave us change of character in lower time frame. So you can see price collected and mitigated our higher time frame demand. We swept liquidity within our demand. So the buyers, early buyers has lost because they had stop losses right here. We have change of character, and now once you get change of character, a series of higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs, you can execute buys from here, okay, once you see the rejection, and target recent higher high. Why? Because price is always taking out recent high. So this is our external liquidity. And why? Because if we have bullish order flow, what we know, we have correction. Sorry guys. So we have corrections, then we have impulse. We have correction, impulse. So what price is doing? Price is always taking out recent highs, okay? So recent high has swept, so price is breaking structure. So you should always target the recent higher highs, okay? So I hope you understand this entry model, and now I will show you the real life example. So what we can see right here, price broke the structure, okay, downside, and now so many traders are thinking that they have nice supply zone right here, okay? So this is supply zone, they think. But what happened? They have not waited for the confirmations, and obviously they lost. Why? Because the supply zone has failed. So now we mark as failed supply zone. And what is price telling us at this moment? That now sellers are not in control because we also swept liquidity and destroyed this higher high. So we destroyed this higher high and so many stop losses. So guys, let me mark as liquidity sweep. And sellers are not in dominant way and they are not moving markets. So it means that now buyers are in control as they want to move price upside, because we also have huge engulfing candles indicating that now buyers are interested and they have entered and executed buys with huge amount of money volume, okay? So as we can see, what we have imbalance, obviously. We have nice manipulation phase right here. We swept liquidity and we also have demand mitigation. Okay, so now price is telling me that price is respecting demand order flow because we have impulse, correction, impulse. So it is respecting bullish order flow. Right now, because this is our 1 hour demand zone, I will wait for confirmations on 5-minute time frame. So what we can see, price is just moving. Okay, we have some corrections, but here we don't have any nice imbalance or nice demand zone. That's why I'm not interested in this zone. Okay, I need some clear movement upside. Huge engulfing candles. Beautiful. Now this is really beautiful. Okay, so we have breakout structure right here. We also broke this structure, but as you can see, we don't have nice clear demand zones. That's why I'm not interested. And right here, we have beautiful demand. Okay, so we mark this demand. We also have inducement, and we have imbalance, inefficiency. Okay, FVJ, whatever you want to call it, we have everything. And we also swept liquidity right here. Because this not is a like clear setup, so many traders would also execute buys from here, but obviously we don't have clear demand zone. That's why we lose. Now this demand is a plus setup for me. Why? Because we have imbalance, we have liquidity sweep, so we have higher time frame demand zone mitigation. We have swept liquidity upside, and we also have failed supply zone. We have here lower time frame confirmation, change of character, liquidity sweep, inducement, and imbalance. Now I love this demand, okay? And now I will not execute buys from here. Okay, I will wait for rejection. Why? Because I love to see more and more confirmations because I should be a confident, okay? I don't care if I miss trade, okay? If I miss trade, I don't care, okay? I care about quality trades. If I lose, okay, no problem. It's better to miss trades than lose a trade. So I prefer to win maybe twice a week, 3 times a week, than trading every time, okay, every second, or opening 10 positions every day. No, okay, quality over quantity. So let's wait. We have nice moments. Now, so many traders will start to buy from here, okay, but this is liquidity, okay, this is liquidity. So many traders are executing buys. Now we have nice confirmation, nice mitigation, and nice rejection upside. So once I see this beautiful engulfing bullish candle, it means that this demand hold. Okay, it does not failed. And now I will open positions, and my stop loss will be right here. Okay, and as our take profit, obviously we will target the reset higher high because we have corrections and we have impulse and price in bullish structure. It will always give us new higher highs. So here always is giving us new higher highs. So this is our, how can I say, profit target. So we will target the extra liquidity right here, and it is giving us 10 beautiful RRs. Okay, my stop loss was 6 pips. Yeah, it was 6 pips. I rounded it. So somewhere like this, and it gave us 10 RR. And now look, let's see. We have nice breakout structure right here, and you can set your stops at break even. Okay, so you move your stops at break even, so you are now risk free. And let's see what price does. Nice, beautiful reaction. And see, nice reaction. Okay, price took out the liquidity right here. Okay, we took out liquidity and gave us nice reaction downside. So it is telling us that our real target was this one. Okay, so price gave us beautiful reaction. We executed buys, and it was a plus setup. Why? Because we waited for confirmations. We also had our higher time frame bias. We knew where price was going. We knew where price mitigated the last, and this is nice reaction. Okay, this is what happens when you wait for nice and you have discipline. Okay, discipline is the most important aspect in trading, and you should know that without liquidity price cannot move. Okay, so price moves from one liquidity to another liquidity, one liquidity to another liquidity. Is always taking out liquidity. Okay, so as you can see, thanks for listening, and also I appreciate that you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you can see our VIP club members are passing like funded accounts. You can see phase 1, phase 2. I'm proud of my students, and as you can see the overall results, catching very nice trades. Okay, once they join and watched our mentorship videos, okay, there is more like 20 more videos in our mentorship, and you can see they are doing amazing work. We are sharing our daily forecast, also the signals and trading market news and etc. So if you are interested, you can DM me, and link will be in bio. Okay, Telegram, Instagram, and also follow me on my Instagram. Okay, this is my only one Instagram and trading verified. As you can see, this is UBUSDT. This is my channel, and thank you for 4K followers, and see you soon, and wish you all the best.